So today I'm with my adorable hair model Eleanor and we're going to show you this really nice braided hairstyle, really nice and neat. So let's get going. You're going to take the top part of the hair and create a nice neat tight ponytail like so. I'm just going to place that out of the way. You'll then come to the rest of the hair and part it into two and placing the left hand side out of the way. Split that ponytail in two and do the same left part out the way. Then you'll come to the right hand side and we're going to be doing a Dutch braid today. You could do French braid if you wanted to, but a Dutch braid is taking those sections underneath, so outside section underneath the middle and then adding in hair. So you'll see in a minute that goes underneath the middle and then I'm adding in that hair into that strand, holding on, right hand side under the middle, adding in hair. So you'll continue to do that all the way down, keeping this braid really nice and tight. If you do struggle with this braid, I have got an in-depth tutorial on that, so I will put that at the end of the video for you, but keep watching for now so you can see how this style turns out. It is really cute style. So you'll go to the nape of the neck, keeping that braid nice and tight. Once you've reached the nape of the neck, I want you to continue that braid down, keeping it all nice and neat all the way to the bottom. Use some gel if you need to make sure there's no flyaways here, and then I'll just place that into a little elastic. You're then going to kind of wind this up, so sort of like I'm turning the braid and I'm winding it up in like a sort of circular motion all the way to the top, again keeping it nice and tight, and then I'm using some small hair grips just to secure that into place like so. So you'll see in a minute, look how cute this looks. There we go. And then we'll come to the left hand side doing exactly the same, guys. So I'm just adding in the outside section under the middle, add in, outside section under the middle, add in, all the way to the bottom. Do a French braid if you find this braid really difficult to do, don't worry. Keeping it nice and tight at the nape of the neck. And then again, we are going to be doing that little winding up technique, creating a really neat little bun here. And you'll see Eleanor from the front in a minute. She looks so cute. So yeah, I'm just going to pin this into place again. Use any hair accessories that you want to use. I think we went for a yellow bow, if I'm not mistaken. Let me have a look. What did we go for? Yes, went for yellow, red and yellow today. So bows going in, you can put anything you want there. And then Eleanor is going to do a 360 for us. Let's have a look. There she is. So yeah, just a really, I've left out the little fringe at the front or bangs. You don't need to obviously do that if you haven't got bangs. But I love this style. Super, super cute. Let me know in the comments what you think.